Again. Kiss. Ay, sa kabila. Other cheek. Hawag papa.
Uy, sus, I love you.
Merry Christmas! So come on, let's go to Popsy.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you so much.
You know, how much do you love Papa? How much do you love Papa? Hey, how much?
How much do you love me?
I love you with all my heart. How much do you love Papa?
With all my heart. So much.
Ay, sus.
And then put here.
Ang tatlong binibini ng buhay ko. How?
There.
Peanut,
There's my peanut.
Momsi.
Yeah.
Ang
Okay.
tatlong babae ng buhay ko.
Yes.
Kasama ka rin,
Merry
Ajin. Kasama ka.
Okay, there. Go.
Grabe, patay na patay sa akin, oh. Kita ni pagkakahawa ko. Uy, teka lang. Ang ganda nung simula natin, yakapan. Teka lang. Uy, grabe, oh. Dead sa akin. Gano'n mo ako, love?
With all my heart.
Ay, sus naman, oh.
Mag-shake.
Hello there to all my friends and to all my filmmates. I just want to greet you a happy Merry Christmas and a positive and a very good New Year to all of you and to all of us. Gusto ko lamang sabihin sa inyo na mahal ko kayo. Lagi niyo ipinararamdam sa akin ang pagmamahal niyo at suporta ninyo. Yung mga veterans ko, yung mga Vilmanians ngayon, at yung mga Gen Zs ko, nandiyan pa rin kayo lahat. Kayo ang inspirasyon ko kung bakit eto pa rin ako and inspired to do good in my work and also in my showbiz life. Inspirasyon ko kayong lahat. I wish you all the best and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. Magkikita-kita tayo soon. God bless! Merry Christmas! Mwah!